Keyless Enter and Go lets you start and shut off your vehicle without ever touching your key fob, as long as the key fob can be detected by the vehicle. To start the engine, first make sure the transmission's in park. Then, press and hold the brake pedal and simultaneously push the engine start-stop button. That's it. You're good to go. To turn off the engine, come to a complete stop, shift into park, then push and release the engine start-stop button. To use accessories without starting the vehicle, don't press the brake pedal. Instead, just push the engine start-stop button once to enter the accessories or ACC position. From there, you can activate the radio, wipers, and windows. Push the button a second time to enter the on-run position, so you can activate the instrument cluster and certain climate controls. Push the button a third time to return to the off position. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.